ka bang matukoy ano ang purong kasinungalingan at katotohanan online?
Nalilito ka ba kung anong paniniwalaan dahil mukha ito mapagkakatiwalaan?
Pwes, sa video na ito, tuturuan namin kayo on how to spot the fake news from the real one.
But first, please like,
Share,
subscribe,
para maging updated ka sa aming content sa mga katulong sa inyo upang maging media literate lalo na sa social media. First step, check the source. In spotting the fake news online, we first need to check if the source are credible. Reliable news outlets often have a long-standing reputation for accuracy and credibility.
if an article came from a legitimate source outlets such as verified organization and news channel, mas madali nating mapapatunayan na ito ang balita. But still, be wary of unfamiliar website or source with a biased agenda. Tip number 2. Evaluate the supporting evidence.
Legitimate news stories are typically backed by evidence, such as quotes from credible sources, statistics, or official reports.
Kung ang news article ay may kakulangan sa mga supporting evidence o nagre-rely sa anonymous source, umpisahan na ang pagdududa sa pagiging makatotohanan nito.
Tip number 3. Don't fall for clickbait. Don't judge the story or news by its headline alone. Ang sensational at overdramatic headlines are often red flags for fake news. Kaya it's important to read the entire article for us to not be fooled.
Tip number 4. Check for grammars or spelling. A credible source does not publish a news article with a wrong spelling as well as grammatical errors. Ang news na kanilang pinuproduce ay dumadaan sa masusi at detalyadong proseso upang paniwalaan ng publiko.
That's all for today, guys. Sana ay natulungan namin kayo sa pag-alam ng katotohanan.
Dahil we inspire to combat misinformation through midwise generation.
Bye!